Hey guys, what's happening? If CapCut isn't working after the TikTok ban, try these fixes. First of all, go ahead to your settings. Go to the general, scroll a bit down to the VPN or device management. Make sure that you use a VPN. Connect to a region where CapCut is still functional. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen and then go ahead to the App Store or Google Play and make sure that you updated your CapCut to the latest version, right? Check the App Store for the latest version. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna delete by holding the CapCut, delete, and double click to delete the app and reinstall it once again to fix potential issues, right? And obviously you can use the web version, and for free you could just type CapCut, right? And you can use a CapCut online. Okay. Next, make sure to check permissions, right? Go to the settings, right? And then go to the apps, then search for CapCut. Make sure that you gave CapCut the full permission. Okay. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna clear cache. Go back to the settings, general, and then iPhone storage, and make sure that you upload the app so you can basically unload some of the unnecessary data within the app. Okay. And if that didn't work out, you can use apps like VN or InShot to help you with your editing skills, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next time.